Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on profile views on TikTok. So it's a pretty basic process, but I guess it's on a rolling basis. So if you don't have all the options of enabling it today, hopefully next week or tomorrow you should have the ability to do. So the first thing you want to do is just open up the TikTok application and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and there should be eye icon at the upper right corner. As you can see, I have 6 views as well. I guess this a rolling basis, just like how dark mode on Snapchat was the same thing. In certain filters within TikTok, it's a rolling basis, so it should come out at sooner point. But a way you can go ahead and get that eye icon is to make your way over to the inbox option here, and you want to go ahead and click on inbox. So what you can do is you just have to go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then in the search bar just search for TikTok. So you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok. If you have any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version. If you still don't see it, like I don't see it, then that means it's just not in your area yet. So those are the things I recommend doing. Now to enable it, what you want to do is just go to the TikTok again. Click on that eye icon here. As you can see, profile views, but you want to click there and you can find this option here. And you can turn off and on this option. As you can see who viewed your profile in the last 30 days and allow other to see that you viewed theirs. You will be notified of profile use if the notification is turned on. Only you can see who viewed your profile. You can turn this off anytime. Toggle this off, your profile views will be turned off, as you can see. And you can read these options as well. Now if you want to turn it on again, just tap on it, turn on, and again your profile views are turned on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.